Murutwo uyu uria urekwo kunyita itemi njama-ini ya gucina nyumba ya gukomwo ni arutwo cukuru-ini wa Moi Girls muthia-ini wa kiumia githiru, na uria uraikirio ngono ni arokire gukinyio igoti-ini ria ciana. Mwena wa thitango ugitongorio ni Alois Kemo ukihoya maheo ihinda ria thikũ 10 niguo borithi magie na ihinda riganu ria gutabania uthuthuria.
Your Honor, there were victims, several victims who lost their children, who suffered grave injuries. And it is in the interest of her safety that she be detained in custody until the investigations are concluded.
Akiregana na ihoya riri wakiri Stanley Kangahi uria ukurugamirire Murutwo uyu ahoya igoti rimurekererie na bodi kuona kuma riria uthuthuria uyu wambiriirie aciari yake makoretwo magitigirira ni athie gucokia ciuria.
The respondent was called upon to report back the same afternoon, and they have been doing so in the company, guidance and supervision of her parents on the days succeeding the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, until yesterday, Your Honor, when they said that she would be held back.
Mwena wa thitango ni utaririe igoti uritu wa cira uyu ukiuga thitango iria ngetheire mwikuirwo uyu ni nditu.
For several offences, including murder, there is arson, and it is only once the investigations are concluded that a final decision will be made by the Director of Public Prosecutions.
No mucirithania Teresa Nyangene athana mwikuirwo uyu athie na mbere kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kilimani kwa ihinda ria thikũ 7 ciokite niguo uthuthuria urike.
Doing the best I can, I allow 7 days in custody, upon which the application for bail can be considered.
Mwikuirwo uyu akinyitio igoti-ini riria andu a nyumba cia arutwo kenda aria makwirire mutino-ini uyu mahetwo ciumia 3 gweterera maumirira ma DNA matuithanie mĩĩrĩ yao niguo metikirio kumathika. Gukinyio igoti-ini kwa Murutwo uyu no ikinya ria mbere hari kuhithuria kiria kiarĩire kingi utuku ucio wa tariki 1 mweri wa kenda giko-ini kiria giacungiririe ikuũ cia arutwo kenda cukuru-ini ucio wa airĩtu wa Moi Girls. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi igoti-ini ria Milimani, ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwaki.